Hi guys, Steph here. Right, what we got for you today? Well, what we've got for you is a pen that some of you have already seen in a previous pen haul video. You would have seen this pen here. As you can see, lovely pen as it is, needs a little bit of attention, but what you'll also notice if we pause the video, you'll notice the lever itself is actually broken and will need replacing. And there we go. After that little bit of work and replacing the lever, we've got an absolutely gorgeous pen. What we've got for you is the Waterman 515, made in England. And this particular model of the period, and when I say the period, sort of late 1940s, was actually one of the top of the range pens within the Waterman range of pens of that particular period. Okay, so it's a lovely, handsome pen. You can see it comes in classic black. As we've just mentioned, you can see now what I actually did. There we go. There's the old box, if you like, from the box lever. So the lever itself was actually broken. I actually removed that, and what we've done, we've put a brand new box lever in the pen. Okay, so now you can see, excellent, full working order. If we go up to the cap there, you can see this particular model has a large, quite a wide cap band, and then we've got the very sort of recognisable Waterman clip of that period, sort of this Art Deco clip, as you can see, with the name Waterman running down the centre, and to the very top there we've got this slight sort of dome stud to the very top of the cap there. Now the size of this pen capped is 132mm capped. Around the barrel it's a lovely 12mm in diameter. So as I say, it's a lovely size pen. As we said, one of the top of the range, you know, within that particular period, within the Waterman range of pens. And as you can see there, we've got a lovely clear barrel imprint that reads Waterman, made in England, and then it's got the model 515. Now this particular pen was reserved by a viewer, subject to restoration, so yeah, it's now done and it's ready to go to the new owner. Incidentally, I've shown you this particular model before. On that particular case, on that particular video, it was a blue version of this particular pen. So I do believe they came in different colours, blue being the one, I believe maybe burgundy, and then maybe green as well. I'm not 100% sure. Okay, let's undo the cap for you. Let's show you the pen in numerous different angles. As you can see, everything has been thoroughly cleaned. We've put a new sack in it, as I've just mentioned. We've put a new box lever in the pen. It's absolutely lovely. There you go, there's the section, slight taper towards the nib. And then the nib there, we've got a Watermans 14 carat W5 nib, which is a correct nib for this pen. And then there's the feed underneath. A little bit unusual, it's very typical of that period of this Waterman pen feed. Okay, you can see it's sort of got the fins to the side, but very handsome indeed. And as you can see, everything as it should be is lovely and clean. So a nice size pen. Okay, very comfortable indeed. Now what we'll do, as always, I'm not going to fill the pen because it's going to the new owner, and I'll let the new owner fill the pen with his favourite ink. But let's just see how it writes. So what we've got is a Watermans. This one made in England, and the model number being the number 515. Date of the pen 1940s, sort of, I'd say late 1940s. It's writing very nicely indeed. And as I said, the size of the pen, it's a very comfortable pen to write with. Does it have any flex? Simply, I would say no, it doesn't. Okay. There's a writing sample. As you can see, it's writing very nicely indeed. I would say with sort of on the fine side of medium, but a lovely, lovely writer. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll clean that nib. In fact, what we'll do, we'll give it a little bit of a wipe with a tissue. We'll clean the nib after the video, because this pen, as I said, has been reserved and it's ready to go to the new owner. Very nice indeed. I'm sure he's going to be more than happy with the pen. It's a lovely, handsome fountain pen, and as I said earlier, one of the top of the range of that particular period. So it's a lovely, substantial pen. So there we have it. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, comment below. Don't be shy, leave a comment. Subscribe to the channel as well, and just there, give the video a thumbs up to say that you've enjoyed it. But for now, I'm just going to say Slava Ukraini, and from me and this gorgeous pen, I'm going to say bye bye for now.